this idea that high grades mean you're successful, while low grades mean you failed. But I'm here to tell you it's not that simple. I stand here today in front of you not as the smartest alumna with long list of achievements, but with shady knees, nagkaroon ko karon, hoping to inspire all of you as I share my humble experience in a different direction. Success isn't just about grades or awards. It's about finding your own path and learning from the ups and downs along the way. When we were kids, ituluan ta nga manikamot yung daw kaayo, humanong eskwela, kuha ang trabaho, suportahan ang pamilya, and serve ang ninyo. Diba? Ano dyan na? That's what I thought success looked like too. As I've grown up, I realized success is more than just checking off boxes. It's like painting a big picture. Every step, no matter how small, is part of creating something beautiful. We're taught to work hard and aim high, but we also need to appreciate every little victory along the journey. Before we move on, let me tell you a bit about my experience. After I graduated from senior high school, I proceeded in college at Northwestern Muslim Colleges, where 2 years ago I earned my bachelor's degree in secondary education. A few months later, I applied for a job as a secondary teacher at a private Christian school in Villacananga, Butuan City. Along with teaching secondary students, I also taught kindergarten and grade 1 students. In addition to that, to my regular teaching duties, I also worked as a tutor after my classes. This experience has been very fulfilling and has helped me grow personally and professionally. On top of that, I also spent time preparing for the upcoming board exam. So I remember there were times na while nag-review ang akong mga kauban, ako kahimo ko test papers, nag-build ko grado, kanayon ko mga certificate and backdrops. Maibong ko magtanaw sa akong mga kauban na makafocus sila o review study. And I've come to the point na nakauna-una ko nga, sunod na lang siguro kumote kasi hindi ko pasar karon. But thank God, I persisted and fortunately, last March 2023, I passed the board exam for licensed professional teacher. It was a moment of sheer happiness and relief knowing that my hard work and dedication had paid off. After my contract ended from that school, I applied for a job as an ESL, English as a second language teacher at QQ English in Cebu City. My students were from various countries including Japan, China, Taiwan, Russia, etc. I taught students of all ages from 3 years old to adults with professions. Some of my adult students were doctors, architects, businessmen, IT specialists, and even teachers, and ako ay student na teacher board. I was very happy to have the chance to teach foreign students. However, I got sick there and realized that living in Cebu was too expensive for me. So I resigned early and I went back home. I applied for another job and now I work as a pioneering business development representative at Assurance Services LLC. This is a business development center outsourcing company located in Butuan City, but it's based in Temecula, California, USA. Some said, wala lagi ka na DepEd. Kano sa mga magparang, wala na kaya ka na teach. So, hindi na kasagana na ako malugan. Sige lang, abort na talihan. I have confidence in what I'm doing, and I trust that God has plans for me. I may not know exactly what those plans are right now, but I believe volumes about the potential and power that each and every one of you holds in shaping Country's future. As we